Recipe for a healthy and deep sleep. A friend from Germany showed me this method. Wash the chestnuts in a bowl to remove dust and impurities. Gently dry them with a cloth until they are completely dry. Prepare 2 bay leaves and lavender oil. Put a few drops of the oil on a leaf and gently rub it in. Bay leaves purify the air and bring harmony, while lavender has a soothing effect, calms the mind, and helps you fall asleep faster. This step is very important because it allows both ingredients to blend perfectly, creating a harmonious mix of scent and energy. Place the leaves in a jar. The next ingredient is white salt. Put 1 spoon of salt at the bottom of the jar. It cleans the air, absorbs moisture, and brings a sense of calm into the room. Then add the chestnuts. They are a gift of nature that helps release tension, quiet the mind, and bring a feeling of inner peace. Close the jar and turn it so everything settles evenly. Replace the lid with gauze. Your natural jar for peaceful sleep is ready. Place it next to your bed or wherever you fall asleep. With each evening, you will feel more calm and lightness. The air will become cleaner, and the lavender scent will fill the space. Your sleep will be deep, restoring, and truly soothing.